Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until water runs clear. This removes saponins that taste bitter and ensures a neutral flavor. Spread the drained quinoa in an even layer and pat dry with paper towels to remove surface moisture that prevents popping. Toast the drained quinoa in a dry skillet over medium heat for 4 minutes to remove moisture and warm the seeds. This small step helps them puff more consistently when exposed to hot oil or dry heat later on. Heat neutral oil to 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C, in a heavy pot and use a candy or infrared thermometer to maintain a steady temperature for reliable popping. Working in small batches of 1 tablespoon each, drop quinoa seeds into the oil. They will pop and expand within 6 to 8 seconds, so watch closely and do not overcrowd the pot. Use a slotted spoon to remove puffs and drain on paper towels. Season immediately with 1/2 teaspoon salt or 1 tablespoon sugar, while still hot to help flavor adhere. Cool quinoa puffs completely, about 10 minutes, so they crisp and stop sizzling. Cooling prevents steam from softening the texture and keeps them crunchy. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 7 days or freeze up to 3 months in labeled bags. Separate layers with parchment to avoid clumping. To flavor, toss with 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon honey, or 2 tablespoons cocoa powder while warm so seasonings cling. Use them as cereal, snack toppers, or mixed into trail mix for added crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.